Unang yalam ka Seng liang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma haba ajeng kren skila pathai khubor ha kasngi wan yu kejat kamamata barnji hne kasngi ulo ong ba kila kamen shi kat dei ban pediang burom ya ksokno jong kaseng TMC bat kmi Lynti ru ban kren halor ki kam ke jam jong ginong trei kaseng ki belawan nak keleng ki benta jong kejela kat ba iba George Billing do ila ong baki Paidbah kila nya kini ke sarkar ka baminta ka besulak mi tang ban kular bat ka bamla ban le ai ha kini kisnan balalet kumta kasing TMC kan sa shimi ki lat ki Lynti bat ki jeng temu ki ban Jingmyntoi hi ki Paidbah
kind of an outlay, a plan and a strategy that will be beneficial for the people, and it will be a promise that
addressing our executive, rather the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this and will be welcoming her.
some way of governance we have seen, encroaching borders, killing people, so we don't want that kind of a governance. Bengal has stood fast against the might of the BJP, and that is what we are here for, to stop the BJP from trampling upon the rights of the citizens, upon the minorities, and upon the Christians. So therefore we are coming with a specific kind of an outlay, a plan and a strategy that will be beneficial for the people, and it will be a promise that we as leaders and the party under the leadership of this Mamata Banerjee will be unfolding tomorrow and telling the people of the state where we want to take them forward.
ya kaleng khu sngi yap